Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pro Wolf Trader. Let's make money together. Welcome to my channel for everybody who's watching this for the first time. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel. Let's start the analysis. Last week, the weekly gold candle closed in bearish, and which is quite important for us. The reason for that is because previously we saw that 9 consecutive bullish closures. This has happened only 5 or 6 times in the total history of gold, and every time when this happened, gold just did a huge correction, and this time it's happening exactly like the same. Now let's first of all focus on the fundamentals. Fundamentally, the last FOMC rate cut, and after that Powell's conference, Powell was really hawkish. He was not so much interested in further cutting the interest rate, and he even mentioned that December rate cut is not to be certain. It's not sure that they're gonna cut the rate. And we saw what happened with the equity market. The stocks dropped down, gold dropped down, and this was huge deal. And it's suddenly why? Because he sounded way too much hawkish, and he even talked about that they're gonna end the quantitative tightening on December 1st, and how they're gonna start quantitative easing. I'm gonna be explaining what this means in another video, but because of that we have a bearish movement. Besides that, Trump met with Chinese Xing, and things are looking pretty much calmer because of these two another reasons market are dropping, especially gold, because uncertainty was the reason retailers were FOMO buying. Even the banks and the big market makers, they were buying because of uncertainty of future wars and trade wars. But now things are looking much calmer, so likewise gold will drop, and every high is a sell opportunity and every low is a buy opportunity. But most importantly, look for sell entries whenever it makes a top for the daily time frame. Anyways, coming back, I have just made a Fibonacci from 2951 up till all-time high, and it looks like it will hit Fibo level 0.5, which is priced in at 3674 next week or the week after that, and we are getting new lows. So going back to a daily time frame, here we have this downward momentum, and this is most likely is going to drop till 3500 like I previously mentioned. All the fundamentals are indicating towards the near support level. Plus the Citibank and other banks, they have also updated their forecast. Citibank just dropped down $200 on their gold forecast, and soon as the price will drop down, their forecast will keep on changing, and so as the selling pressure. So keep an eye on gold. Gold will do majority of the retracement, as Powell was hawkish and he's not. And as soon as Powell will get replaced by the new Fed, he will most likely hike the rate. So we might have seen the top of the gold, and we are heading for lower. If it drops below 34.99, then we are looking forward to new lows. Then the market will look for bottom. For more information, don't forget to put a 200 moving average and look at the daily time frame. If the 200 moving average, the price drops more than that, then we are in for a free fall. But anyways, this is your near realistic target. Going back to Elite Wave, as those who frequently message me and who are studying Elite Wave is correction wave, and we are looking at this fourth wave. Fourth wave can extend to 3600 or 3500, but we might see a bigger fall. And so as because the last time we saw gold doing this was way back in 99, and exactly like that we saw gold futures hitting all-time high, and then dropping down, and we might be getting that. So keep an eye on that. As you can see, gold is in a sideways vertical line. Now it's dropping down, going back to the 1 hourly time frame. I have posted these screenshots, and all the updates regarding gold are being updated on free gold Telegram channel, so don't forget to join it. Or even the news and free signals are posted there now. So anyways, looking at this 1 hourly time frame, this is the sideways curve, this is support, and this is resistance, and this is support area. Price on Friday dropped down till 39.71 because 4000 is acting like a really strong support area, and if price will keep on bouncing as soon as it hits 4000. So don't forget to sell at 40.30, and don't forget to buy below it as long as the gold price is in the sideways market. Besides that, if the government shutdown ends, we will get the data, of course, for November, and data we are looking forward to is not just crucial for gold forecast but also for future Fed rate cut policy, because Fed will decide either they have to do higher rate cuts or no rate cut depending on the what kind of data they will get. And the next week we are getting CPI, PPI, jolts, but the most important data that will determine whether they will further do the rate cut in December is the PPI data. If the PPI data number are higher or lower, will affect the inflation rate. So keep an eye on the data as soon as the government shutdown is over. But as of now, all I can say is all the fundamentals are in favor of a bearish trend, and all the technicals are also pointing towards a fall in the prices of gold, and this is further proven if you go and look at the higher time frame, most likely daily and weekly time frame. Why? Because the last weekly, if you see over here, where is this? No, it's over here. If you look at this, is the last weekly closure. Okay, so as soon as the Monday market opens, it's a fresh month, so price will of course go up and make a monthly high. But as soon as it starts dropping, keep an eye on it. If this upcoming weekly candle closes bullish, then it might change the sentiment and we will start buying again. But as for now, I'm pretty much certain that history will repeat itself. As soon as the Monday market opens, we might see the same thing that happened on this October weekly candle, last week October candle. Last week October candle, second last. That the price will go up and make the monthly high, and then as soon as it touches, I think the price will hit definitely 4083 or 4180 is your resistance area, and as soon as it hits that, start looking for sell entry, because the monthly time frame will drop down. Plus, if the government shutdown is over, it will soon be followed up by the upcoming data, which will throw the gold prices further down. So this is it, guys. Don't forget to leave a message if you have any problems. But as for now, make sure that whatever you do, don't make unnecessary risk, because market is really unstable, and it's not that you're gonna make profit all the time. There will be days where you will have some difficulty, but at the end of the day, be optimistic and positive and look at the brighter side, and don't go for unnecessary trades. Only go for those trades that give you certainty. Anyways, take care of yourself. I will be updating Bitcoin Bitcoin analysis soon, I think within the next 24 hours. So I'll keep you guys posted. Till then, take care. This is Pro Trader signing off.